Hello everybody, this is Lynette again with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining me again today on another one of my soapy time adventures. So we're still over on the side counter. I just get it cleaned up with one project and I start another one. So now we've got shampoo bars over there and I had to hot process some soap and I just got in fragrance oils. So we're still on the side table, but that's okay. I hope that you guys, I hope you guys can see good enough. Try to get close enough that you guys can see what I'm doing. And that you guys can see what we're going to do. So we're going to be making a soap called Morning Raindrops. This soap is, this fragrance is a fragrance. It's one of the new releases. Can you see that? Oh, I just love it when it doesn't want to help me. This is a new fragrance from Midwest Fragrance Company. Now, according to their notes, it says that there is no acceleration, no ricing, nothing. So it's supposed to be great. It says it can be used up to 19.23% for the fragrance oil, but I'm not going to use that much. Has no vanillin in it. I am just using 5% like I normally do with everything. So the colors I'm using today are going to be Indigo Girls and Let Us Entertain You. I thought it'd be kind of fun to have kind of like a bright blue and green springy colors. I've got them already dispersed in oil right here. I don't know why I didn't do that in their containers. I don't know what I was thinking. So, got everything measured off. This is a goat's milk soap. I am going to be using titanium dioxide in the base just because of the fact that I want this to be kind of a bright white. And since this is so yellow, I know it's not going to be bright white enough. Sorry, I just need to get that mixed up. I've got little weighted balls in here, little steel marbles to mix up my titanium dioxide. And I'm going to be doing 3 trays today. So I'm going to attempt a drop swirl where you just do one line, and then it's supposed to drop and make kind of like a raindrop looking thing. Not sure how that's going to work. I don't particularly like the look of the drop swirl, but because because it says raindrops, I want it to kind of look raindroppy. So, so I think that's what we're going to do. Hopefully we'll have lots of time to work with it. It says you do get lots of time to work with it. But I did one just a little bit ago and it said it would accelerate and I had hardly any acceleration. It was perfect. It worked perfect for a hanger swirl. So I think we're good. So without further ado, let's get soaping.